The Monkey and the Sun. One summer afternoon, it grew unbearably hot in the jungle. A monkey got very annoyed with the heat. He was continuously sweating. When he couldn't bear it any longer, he jumped off the tree and started yelling at the sun. "You foolish sun," the monkey said. "Can't you see that you are roasting us alive?" The sun had never been yelled at, especially by a monkey. He got very offended. After all, he was only doing his job. So he hid behind the rain clouds and began to sulk. It started raining. The sun continued to sulk and it continued to rain for weeks. Soon the whole jungle became muddy and squishy. There was no sun to dry the water. Slowly, the animals started falling sick. It was then that the monkey realized his foolishness. "I'm sorry, dear sun," the monkey apologized. "Please forgive me." The sun began to shine again. Happy days were back. Do you like this story? Everyone is equally important. It is the moral of this story. Don't forget, draw your favorite part of this story and send it to me. Thank you. Bye-bye.